how to buy SHYTOSHI KUSAMA token. So this token came under the symbol of SHY. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before you invest in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simple as the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. Make sure to check their Telegram channel. They include it too on their X account. So as you can see, this token, it's available on the screener. To be able to buy this token, what you need to do, but before that, the liquidity here are locked by 99%. That's good. That's made your investment in the safe place. Now, to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now, open your function wallet for that. Now, after that, click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Paste type how much you want to buy. So this is how much you will receive of that token. After that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information. And after that, click on swap, and after that you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face any issue, go back to this page, switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of the issues came from the slippage. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy SHY token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.